In this tutorial, we'll walk through the 3 available methods for adding a remote service provider within the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2.0 platform. To ensure end users can more effectively manage and maintain their devices, we recommend assigning a remote service provider. Once connected, the dealer can perform remote maintenance according to the permissions granted. Please note that each end user can only have one remote service provider at a time. Method 1. Binding during device sharing. For this method, the dealer begins by opening the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2.0 app. Select the device you would like to share, tap the 3 dots, and choose Share. Next, select O&M Service. Choose the end user's username, select the device you want to share, and set a valid period, anywhere from 1 day up to 1 year. If needed, adjust any optional permission settings. When finished, tap O&M Service at the bottom to save your changes. The remote service provider is now active. During the valid period, you may edit or cancel the service at any time. In the next method, the end user can add a dealer as their remote service provider. To begin, open the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2.0 app. Navigate to Me, then select Service. Tap Add Service Provider. Choose O&M Service Provider, and enter the dealer or installer's account information. Then tap OK. The service provider is now added. The final method is binding during device delivery. For automatic binding, the dealer opens the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 Pro app. Select the appropriate project, scroll up in the workspace, and tap Deliver. Next, tap Transfer, choose the device, and tap Transfer again. Enter the end user's email address and tap Transfer to complete the process. And that wraps up the 3 methods for adding a service provider in the Alibi Vigilant mobile platform. Following these steps ensures that your devices and users are set up for reliable, efficient support.